Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I talk about how to create a to-do list website using ChatGPT. So if you are new in ChatGPT, first you can create ChatGPT account, watch my last video and create now. And today I talk about how you can create to-do list website. So for example, you can see this is a to-do list website. I input now. Hi, hello my fans, and you can see all your list right now. I delete now. So today I talk about how to create this type of website using ChatGPT. So first I go to my ChatGPT account and right now create a beautiful to-do list website using HTML, CSS and JavaScript and input now. And you can see here is the example of basic to-do website using HTML, CSS and JavaScript, and ChatGPT create code for you. So I go to my editor and create a structure for my website. So you can create a new folder and create a new file and save now in my folder index.html and create a new file and save now style.css, save now and create a one more file, save now script.js and save now, and you can see HTML, CSS and JavaScript file ready. So I go to my ChatGPT and you can see all codes right now ChatGPT for you. So first I can copy HTML code, copy this code, go to my HTML file and paste now and save now. Next I go to my CSS code, copy now, input now, save now, and next I go to my JavaScript code. So I go to script, paste now, save now, and start file. I will share you. You can see my file already connected to browser sync. So my file already connected. You can see input now. You can see how you can create using ChatGPT my to-do list website. So if you need any help related to this website, comment now. And thanks for watching this video, and my next video I will create a new website using ChatGPT.